Hey y'all, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Maya Smith if you are new, and today this video is in partnership with TreLuxe. If you've been following me, you know I've been using TreLuxe for a very long time. I absolutely love them. They reached out to me at this point some years ago, and I've been using them ever since. A lot of their products are staples of mine. So I'm going to go through a wash and style day with you guys, telling you my favorite products, why I like them, showing you the consistency and the benefits of those products. To start, of course, I'm going to cleanse my hair. Child, this wash and go look. Lord. Anyway, I'm starting off with the TreLuxe Curl, Renew, and Restore Gentle Cleansing Rinse. Here's the bottle right here. I love everything comes in a pump, and the consistency is runny, as you can see. So I'm just going to break down a little bit about the shampoo before I use it. It's a sulfate-free cleansing rinse, formulated to gently cleanse and remove buildup while replenishing moisture and detangling strands. It has plant-based cleansing agents and made with squalene, coconut milk, and aloe vera, some of the moisturizing agents. It also has moisture protein balance, which is a good thing, which your hair needs to stay healthy. So I'm happy about that, because the last deep conditioner I used, I'm pretty sure I got moisture overload right now. That's probably why my curls ain't popping how I really want to. I am going to go wet my hair so I can wash this out and cleansing my hair. Be right back. Okay, so I'm back. My hair feels nice and limpy. Like, I really hate it. Our Curl, Renew, and Restore cleanser. And, ooh, as you can see, like I said, really runny, but watch this. So here is this cleanser as I'm washing my hair, and it has enough slip for me to finger detangle. I'm not really a fan of detangling with cleansers, but I can definitely do it with this one. This one is not stripping at all. Super moisturizing and has a protein balance, and it gets your hair clean. I love this cleanser. So I'm going to continue to wash my hair, and then I will be back when I'm ready to apply my leave-in conditioner. Okay, so I'm back from washing and showering and not being dusty anymore. I was looking so crusty, excuse me for that. So here's my hair. Woo! Woo! All the blues gone. That cleanser is definitely the truth. I also forgot to address the smell for that. The smell is kind of like a planty, earthy type of smell. I really like it. It's like a real natural scent. So now I'm going to go in with my leave-in conditioner, and TreLuxe's leave-in conditioner is called Untie the Knot. It is their Nourishing Leave-in conditioner, and they are not lying about that. Like, when somebody says something is nourishing, I think of nourishment, like nourishment to my body. Like, I'm giving you what you need. I'm giving your hair what it needs to be healthy, to thrive, and they're not lying. This leave-in conditioner does exactly that. So some key ingredients of this leave-in conditioner is coconut milk, slippery elm extract, and broccoli seed oil. This gives good moisture protein balance. So I'm really excited to use this to put some protein back in my hair, because like I told y'all, I'm pretty sure I got protein overload. Not protein overload, moisture overload. Here's the consistency. It's like a lotion, but slippery, has nice slip, and it sinks right into your strands. The smell of this is like an apple cinnamon smell. When I put this in my son's hair, he loves it. He's like, oh, I smell like oatmeal. And it does smell like oatmeal. It smells like apple cinnamon oatmeal. Super nice base to any style that you're about to do. I haven't used this leave-in conditioner with anything that doesn't like work. Like, it goes with any other product that I use, whether it's a mousse, a cream, or anything else, or I can use it by itself. Hands down, super good product, and I absolutely love it. Okay, excuse me. Now that my hair is nice and nourished, I can go in with my styling. And my favorite styler from TreLuxe is the Reflex Curl Styling Serum. Comes in this bottle. And some of the key ingredients is aloe leaf juice, coconut water, and grapeseed extract. Products, all of which I love. I absolutely love this serum. This is the consistency. It's like literally a serum, like that you put on your face. Now, we don't put this on your face, but it's like a serum, like not heavy at all, which is why I love this product, because I have fine strands and I don't like heavy stuff that's gonna weigh my hair down, because when my hair is weighed down, I don't have any volume or any shape in my hair. And who wanna walk around with curls stuck to their head? Like, not me, I hate it. So this is one of my absolute favorite stylers. It's also a staple in my curl collection. And the smell smells clean as well. I love the smell of it, just a neutral scent, not too perfumey or anything like that. So I'm going to style my hair. I did the back of my hair off camera. So I'm going to start off with this section with the serum. Put this on and do a little bit more, and it goes right on. Sinks right in. My hair feels so healthy. And my curls clump together really, really well. And look at those curls. So I'm gonna do this side and the front, and then I'll probably show y'all like one side section I do right here, but I'm gonna do the rest off camera. I just wanted you guys to see how this goes on, and look how my curls are popping. Can't wait till this dries. See what I'm seeing? See what I'm saying? So I'm gonna finish, and then I'll show y'all the end, and then I'll be back when it's dry. So here's the front. Here's the side, back. Curls are popping and well clumped together. So happy. So I'll come back when I'm dry. We can fluff, pick, do all that fun stuff. Hey y'all, so I am back. My hair is 100% dry, and look at my results. I absolutely love them. This is one of my all-time wash and goes, like one of the best ones. And my hair feels so good and healthy and soft. My curls are clumped together, and my roots, they feel good and they're defined, and my hair ain't super shrunk up. Like, perfection. I don't know if I even want to mess with this too much. I don't want to, you know, mess it up. I'm gonna let it do its own thing. So let me know down below what you guys think. Let me know if you used TreLuxe before. Let me know your favorite product of the one I used, or if I should try another product from them. It's not many from them that I haven't tried, but let me know if I should try another one out. I also want to tell you to follow TreLuxe on YouTube and subscribe to their channel. You know, you can get all the updates, you know, whatever it is that they post and got going on, you want to be into them. And also follow them on Instagram. All of that information will be linked down below. All the links to the products that I use will be linked down below in the description box. And I will see you guys next time. Let me know what you think of this wash and go. Bye.